Hi everyone! Today with our video, we're going to be talking about different variable levels. To show you guys examples of variable levels, we'll be going through a normal SCOM class and how you can see these variable levels through talking with your friends in class and taking surveys for your teachers.
So as you guys can see, we'll be talking about 4 different levels of variables: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. We will show you how each variable level relates to a daily classroom interaction, and as we go through the following video, we will define each variable level and show you examples. And don't forget that each of these levels can build on each other, so you can start with nominal and then move to ratio. So first we have nominal variables. These can be differentiated only on the basis of type and cannot be rank ordered. So these variables can also be known as categorical or discrete, and they can have categories that are equivalent, mutually exclusive, and exhaustive. So examples of these would be your sex, your hair color, political affiliation, things that can't be ranked but are plain names.
As you are about to see in the next clip, Kate takes a first day of class survey that asks some basic nominal questions about herself.
Good morning everybody, and welcome to your first day of SCOM 101 Variables. This morning I'm going to ask you to fill out a quick survey for me, just so I can get to know a little bit about you. So if you take just a few minutes to do that, that would be great.
This first day of class survey is similar to one you may have taken in the past. It asks basic questions that elicit responses that fall into the nominal variable category, such as sex, grade level, and student status. The next variable we will be discussing is ordinal variables. They have all the same characteristics of a nominal variable, but they can also be rank ordered. However, you cannot make comparisons with regard to the magnitude of the difference between the categories. A good example of an ordinal variable would be relationship length. As you can see in the next clip, one of the students is in a relationship and discusses the length of her relationship.
So this class seems pretty interesting, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't seem that bad.
Yeah. I'm Caitlin, by the way.
I'm Erin. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What year are you?
I'm a senior. How about you?
Me. I'm a junior.
Okay.
Are you ready to graduate?
Yes and no. I am excited to get a job, but I'm leaving my boyfriend behind, so that'll be kind of tough.
Oh, really? Does he go here?
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
Almost 2 years.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So now we have interval variables. Interval variables can be classified in a logical order that represents equal distances between levels within each category. So now we have all the qualities of a nominal variable and an ordinal variable, but now there's an equal distance between each category. So any survey that you see that gives you a Likert scale, for example 1 to 5, strongly agree or strongly disagree, will have interval variables.
Hi class, so today we're going to be talking about how you all feel that the class is progressing. So to start that off, I'd like you all to fill out a survey for me, just so I can kind of see your perceptions of how the class has been going so far.
So as you guys can see, for this mid-semester survey, I am taking a Likert scale survey. Therefore, this is all interval variable questions.
The final variable we will be discussing are ratio variables. They can be classified in a logical order that represents equal distances between each level within the category, just like interval variables. However, there is now an absolute zero starting point, which represents the absence of a characteristic. Some examples of ratio variables are number of Facebook photos you are in with your significant other, hours spent watching TV per day, and temperature. In the following clip, Kate will take a final survey that asks all ratio variable questions.
Alright guys, so it's been a great semester, but unfortunately it's come to an end. This is our last class, so the last thing I would like you guys to do is fill out an exit survey, which is just some general questions about the class. And I want you to answer as honestly as possible. None of it will be used for or against you in your grade. But yep, here you go. I hope you all have a great break.
Thanks, you too.
As you can see, Kate is now taking an exit survey, just like many of us do for our classes. The questions on this survey are, how much time did you spend studying for this class, and how much time over the course of the semester did you spend at office hours? These are both ratio questions because Kate could have spent 0 hours doing either of these activities.
So as you guys can see, we've gone through the levels of variables that you'll find in a daily class, such as nominal, with surveys asking your sex or your class status, ordinal, such as people asking your relationship length, interval variables, such as taking any question regarding a Likert scale, and ratio variables, with anything with a 0 starting point, such as hours per week studying. We hope this helped you learn the difference of each of the variables, and we hope that you guys get an A on your next test.